All right. Just checking to see if everybody has left our spectator group. Neha, Shwetang, Joshita, and Jitendra. Please keep your phones
Yes,
away.
yes.
All right. So, good evening and welcome to the first semi-final of the entertainment edition. We had four quarterfinals with the highest points being 90 in the quarterfinal four by Neha, who is on this semi-final. And quarterfinal four also saw a very close tiebreaker with Rati getting in right at the end with Ramoji Film Studio. So, with that said, I welcome Jitendra, Joshita, Neha, and Shwetang. The rules are, as always, we have 20 questions, first 10 in alphabetical order, the next 10 in reverse alphabetical order. And at the mid halfway stage, I will just give a score check. Uh, please, I have not repeated this enough, but please take guesses. It will, it just take whatever guess comes to your mind. Just don't pass. Even if you don't know, just take some guess. It may turn out to be correct. All right, this is entertainment. This is everyone's almost equal here. So, with that, Jitendra, let's start with you with question number one. All right, just before that, thumbs up if the participants can see, hear me, everything's good. Awesome. Okay, Jitendra, your camera just went off for some reason. Jitendra, you're also on mute. Hmm. Jitendra, I can see Joshita, Neha, and Shwetang with their cameras on. All three of them are mute. Okay. Jitendra, can you hear
Sorry
me?
about the line is a little bit. Yes, yes. Sorry
Yeah.
about that.
Okay. Can you just quit the spectator group if you haven't already, please?
We have.
Okay. Awesome. All right then. Question number one to Jitendra. Jitendra, Brian Hugh Warner, born January 5th, 1969, is professionally known as Dash Dash. He is an American singer, songwriter, actor, painter, and writer. He is known for his controversial stage personality and image as the lead singer of the band of the same name as the Blanks, which he co-founded with guitarist Daisy Berkowitz in 1989, and of which he remains the only constant member. Like the other founding members of the band, his stage name was formed by combining and juxtaposing the names of two opposing American cultural icons, a sex symbol and an infamous criminal. Fill in the blanks.
Actually, I have really less knowledge about American singers and bands. And
Can you speak a little loudly?
wait a minute.
Yeah, it's a little better, just a little loudly. Yeah.
No, I was saying that I have very less knowledge about American singers and their bands. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to guess or not.
Hmm.
So I think I'll pass.
All right. Passing to Joshita. Joshita, you're on mute if you're saying something. Yeah,
Oh no, I'm just reading the question.
sure.
Um, I know the infamous criminal.
Okay.
Can I give that?
If you give that, you're probably helping somebody else to get full points. You might get part points.
Criminal is Manson.
Okay. Do you want to take a guess? So, infamous criminal is Manson. So, sex symbol first name would be. You want to take a guess?
No, I'll pass.
Okay, passing to Neha.
Marilyn Manson.
Yes, it is Marilyn Manson. 5 points each to Joshita and Neha for this. So yes, it is Marilyn Monroe and Charles Manson, who we saw in, I think, Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. The story was kind of referenced. So both of them opened their accounts with 5 points each. The second question going to Shwetank. Shwetank, connect the following films to one specific actor. I've given it in reverse order. So most recently, Loot Case in 2020, Son Chiraiya in 2019, Bombay Talkies in 2013, Ek Tha Tiger in 2012, Chandni Chowk to China in 2009, Honeymoon Travels Private Limited in 2007, and Laksh in 2004.
Is this an exhaustive list?
No, this is not an exhaustive filmography of this person, but I have selected these 7 films. Any guesses, Shwetank? Shwetank, can you hear me?
I probably you can't hear me.
Sorry, your volume is a little low. Or maybe that's mine. Not sure. Okay, is this my internet that is lagging? Can someone tell me on 1 second? Let me just check.
Srinath, you're on mute.
Extremely sorry, I'm back. Sharing my screen again. Okay.
Just checking, you can hear me, right?
Yes, sure, Tank, I can hear you. Do you have a guess?
Yes, I do. Is it Rasika Duggal?
It is not Rasika Duggal. Passing to Jitendra.
Actually, I have a guess. Is it Ranveer Shore?
It is Ranveer Shore. Plus 10 to Jitendra, who opens his account. Awesome. Yes, it is Ranveer Shore who's acted in all of these films. Awesome. With that, question number 3 to Joshita. Joshita, James Joseph Gandolfini Jr. Okay, awesome. James Joseph Gandolfini Jr. passed away in June 2013 on account of a heart attack at the age of 51. At the end of the last millennium, he started acting in a TV show that went on for a total of 6 seasons and 86 episodes, ending in 2007. The character he played is widely regarded as among the greatest performances in television history, winning 3 Emmy, 3 Screen Actors Guild, and 1 Golden Globe Award. Identify either show name or character name. You're on mute, Joshita. Okay, ठीक है.
Yeah, 1 second. I don't know. Pass.
Passing to
Uh,
Neha.
Ending in 2007.
Yes.
No clue.
Okay.
I
Passing
pass.
to Shwetank.
I have no idea about it. But just for the sake of guessing, I'm going to say Sex and the City.
No, it's not that. Passing to Jitendra.
Was this TV show comedy genre or drama or horror something like that?
I cannot give that to you right now. Maybe in the next round with the hints.
I got it.
James Joseph. Seasons. I have no clue. Is it The Wire?
No, it is not The Wire. All right. So with that, I will give a hint. I'll give a few hints. So, this person, it's okay. This show is a HBO television drama series. Uh, his wife, the character of his wife in the TV series is called Carmela. And all right, what else can I give? Carmela. And okay, let me just look to see if I have any other hints to give. Hold on.
Tell us if it's a comedy or drama or horror.
Okay, it is a television drama directed by David Chase. So those are the three clues that I will give. Joshita.
I still don't know. Pass.
Passing to Neha.
It's The Sopranos.
Yes, it is. And this person is?
I was.
He was Tony Soprano.
Yep. Tony Soprano gives 5 points to Neha.
I wanted to say Sopranos, but I said Wire.
All right, next question to Shwetank. Shwetank, X is a popular film and television actor in the US born in 1978. He has a fraternal twin brother called Michael who has cerebral palsy, who also had a heart transplant when the brothers were young children. It is said that X once attempted to commit suicide off a hospital roof so that his dying brother could have his heart. His parents divorced when he was 16. He was also in the house when the lady he was dating in 2001 was brutally murdered. He was never considered a suspect though, and the actual murderer eventually was sentenced. Also, he got married once in 2005 to a Hollywood actress 16 years his senior, and then after his divorce from the said actress, he married another actress in 2015, and they are now settled in Beverly Hills. Who is X?
Quite a lot of tragedy. But is it Keanu Reeves?
No, it's not Keanu Reeves. Passing to Jitendra.
Is this some Jonas Brothers?
What is your final answer?
No, he got married once in 2005, no? So won't be Jonas Brothers. Just a second now. I know about this story about attempting a suicide. No, but I'm not able to recall the name. Uh,
Any guesses, Jitendra?
just give me a minute. Tom Cruise?
No, not Tom Cruise. Passing to Joshita. Joshita, any guesses?
No, pass.
Okay, passing to Neha.
This is Ashton Kutcher.
Yes, it is Ashton
Oh, yeah.
Kutcher. Plus 10 to Neha for Ashton Kutcher. All right, next question again to Shwetank. Shwetank, each of the following people have always been at the top of their chosen profession, embodying the meaning of excellence. Connect them all to a brand symbolizing the excellence in those achievements. I have blanked out a specific, most obvious person, and I just want to know the brand. I don't want to know the person. So as you can see, these people, Tom, Gary, Vijay, Lindsay, Edmund, Don Walsh, Yundi, Michael, Bublé, Sir Jackie Stewart, James Cameron, all of them are from different spheres of life. But they embody the meaning of excellence.
Does the brand have to do anything with the word excellence? Does it mean excellence in some other language?
I cannot tell that, but all the hints that you need are on the screen at the moment. Okay, any guesses, Shwetank? Sorry, I couldn't hear that. Please, could you speak a little loudly?
Srinath, you're on mute.
Awesome. Hold on 1 second. Yeah. Shwetank, any guess?
Yeah, my wild guess would be Tag, who, however it's pronounced.
Okay, it is not Tag Heuer. Passing to Jitendra.
Is it Rolex?
Yes, it is Rolex. And then who have I blanked out?
Virat Kohli?
No, I was just asking. So that was not the question. Rolex is the answer. I was just blanking out Roger Federer. So yes.
Oh, okay.
This is Rolex and plus 10 to Jitendra. Next one to Joshita. Joshita, in a history traced back to 17 generations of Raj Vaidyas, physicians, X is a doctor. He runs a clinic in Delhi called The Clinic. Born in Lucknow, brought up in CP, Delhi and in Srinagar, this person is also a singer, songwriter, musician, composer and actor.
Pass.
Passing to Neha.
Pass.
Passing to Shwetank. You're on mute.
Is it Lucky Ali?
It is not Lucky Ali. Passing to Jitendra.
Is it current actor or old actor?
I cannot give you that. All the information that I can give you right now is on the screen.
Doctor.
Any guesses, Jitendra?
Just a second. Not able to recall it. Pass.
All right. So I'll give you. Okay, it is one of the most popular indie rock bands of India ever. This guy is the frontman of one of the most famous indie rock bands of the country, and there's a lot of jokes made about this band that they go to almost every college festival in India. So with those two clues, Joshita for 5 points.
Pass.
Okay, passing to Neha.
I hate that I'm getting questions in the second round. This is Palash Sen, Dr. Palash Sen.
Yes, this is Dr. Palash Sen. And Shwetank, yes, you should keep your hand on your head for this. हमारे कॉलेज में भी बजा है इसने.
I know. ये पहले जैसा तू आ जाता.
All right, so plus 5 points to Neha, and next question to Shwetank.
Shwetank, wait.
Yeah.
Actually, I wanted to do something. Just give me a minute.
Okay. All right, I will just read out the question because it's Shwetank's question right now. So Shwetank, the name Dash can be translated roughly to stray. Unusually, the name is written in a mixture of two Japanese scripts, katakana and hiragana. The first half derives from stray cat, while the latter is an old-fashioned suffix for male names. Nobita's home address is in Tsukimidai, while the word Nerima refers to Fujimidai, where Osamu Tezuka's residence and animation studio is based. Fill in the blanks.
What is this? Just because I can see one familiar, going to guess that. Okay. Wait, just hold on. Street. So is it Doraemon?
It is Doraemon, and Shwetank opens his account finally with +10 for Doraemon.
Good
Of
job,
all the
Shwetank.
questions that he could open his account with. All right. So next question to Jitendra. I hope you are back. All right.
Just it.
Okay.
Yes, I'm back.
Okay, Jitendra. The next question is this: in this film, Paresh Rawal plays the role of Abdul Razak Khan, hosting invitees to his resort in Fiji. Released in 2013, one song in this film, sung by Gajendra Verma, was very famous. The twist in the tale was to highlight the nuisance of ragging, which was criticized by
Table number
review.
21.
Yes, it was criticized by reviewers for not being overtly emphasized, and the film is table number 21, +10 to Jitendra. Awesome. Moving to Joshita. Question number 9. Sales is always a thankless job. We struggle to be content as it is always from one responsibility to the next. In 1981, I was newly married and was attempting to sell medical equipment for a living. That was not very remunerative, and I almost was living on the streets with my son. Eventually, basis my performance of an unpaid internship, I landed a job at a brokerage firm, eventually quitting to found one of my own multi-million-dollar brokerage firm. Who am I?
This is a film plot, right?
Yes, but I want the character names here.
You know the film. Chris Gardner.
Huh?
Chris Gardner.
Are you sure?
I
It
think
is.
so.
It is Chris Gardner, and very coincidentally, in the last Knock Knock Joke type of series, which happens at the last scene, this is actually the real Chris Gardner, shown in the movie.
Yeah, it's really Chris Gardner.
+10 to Joshita for that. Awesome. So the last question of the first half goes to Neha. Neha, fill in the blanks with the most famous name missing in the below list. Brian Wilson, John Krasinski, Jenna Fisher.
I'll stop you right there. It's Steve Carell.
It is Steve
The
Carell.
Office.
+10 to Neha. With that, we are at the first half, and I'll just read out the scores. So we have Jitendra at 30 points, Joshita at 15 points, Neha at 35 points, and Shwetank at 10 points. And now we will be reversing the order. So it will be Shwetank, Neha, Joshita, and Jitendra. All right, with that, question number 11 to Shwetank. A division or contrast between two things that are or are represented as being opposed or entirely different is called dichotomy. Now, there's a tune called Dichotomy of Fame, which is used in a popular Bollywood film that released on 11th of November 2011. It was the last tune captured in the form of acting of a prominent industry actor who played a Shehnai artist who passed away 3 months before the film's release. Which famous prominent industry actor was that?
Probably if you hadn't mentioned the date, I wouldn't have guessed it. I just want to make sure it's the right brother because there are too many Oh, I won't get any points if I get the wrong, brother. Right?
I don't know which family you're referring to right now.
There is only one family with too many brothers in it.
Yes.
It is Shashi Kapoor. Is it?
Okay, it is not Shashi Kapoor. Passing to Neha.
I think this movie is The Rockstar, but now I'm trying to place the Chennai artist. I can't remember the cast at all, like other than Nargis Fakhri.
The Dil Bechara actress is also there in Rockstar.
Yeah. I mean,
No, just giving you other characters to remember.
you're just confusing me further. So, all the people I can think of are still alive. So, who's the person who died?
Any guesses, Neha?
What did Shwetang say? Shashi Kapoor, right?
Shwetang said Shashi Kapoor.
Is it Shammi Kapoor?
It is.
I'm just
Shammi
going off of
Kapoor.
Shwetang's
It is Shammi Kapoor.
It is Shammi
Come
Kapoor.
on.
All right, I will give 2 points to Shwetang and 8 points to Neha for this. Okay, and it is Shammi Kapoor, and this is a still from.
fair. It's fair.
As always, you are very generous. Thanks. No, I do not sarcastic. You are being generous.
All right, next question to Joshita. Joshita, identify this author basis the characters of her most famous novel. So Jamie McGregor, Salomon Vandermeer, Banda, David Blackwell, Kate Blackwell, Anthony Blackwell, Marion Hoffman, Eva and Alexandra Blackwell, Robert Templeton. And it is not her most famous novel, it's his most famous novel. Sorry.
Author is a guy.
Yes. 10 points to Shwetang. So these are the characters of this author, and this is the characters of his most famous novel.
Was Neha's?
No, this question is to Joshita.
Pass.
Okay, passing to Jitendra.
I have zero knowledge about the books and authors. Zero knowledge. So I'll pass.
Okay, passing to Shwetang.
I actually don't know if that person is a.
He.
Is a no, the guess in my mind. I don't know whether it's a guy, but I'm going to say it.
Can I guess? Can I guess now? Or is my chance over?
No, you passed to Shwetang. It's on Shwetang right now.
Come on.
You can guess as a individually to me.
Now I don't guess.
Sydney Sheldon.
I'm sorry for Neha, who was waiting for that 10 points. This is Sydney Sheldon, and this book is The Master of the Game. So plus 10 to Shwetank. Awesome. So we move to question number 13 to Neha. So Neha, this is a selected section of films and shows where 1999 born Ehsas Channa has acted. Fill in the blanks. Okay, so Vastu Shastra, her role was Rohan. My Friend Ganesh, Ashu. Kasam Se, Ganga Walia. Devo Ke Dev Mahadev, Ashoka Sundari. Kota Factory, Shivangi. Hostel Days, Akanksha. In which movie did she act as Arjun Saran?
I wish you had blanked out Vastu Shastra, because that I had watched and I regret my entire life watching that. Arjun Saran, wait. Uh, this is one of those Karan Johar movies. Which one was 2006? Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna.
Yes. Plus 10 to Neha. It is Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, where she played the child of Preeti Zinta and Shah Rukh Khan. Moving to Joshita. Joshita, question number 14. Dash was the highest paid actress in the world throughout most of the 90s and the first half of 2000s. Her fee for her 1990s most famous film was $300,000. And in 2003, she was paid an unprecedented $25 million for a role in X. Her 2000 film Y had nominations in the 73rd Academy Awards, where she won for Best Actress. As of 2020, her worth was estimated to be $250 million. People magazine has named her the most beautiful woman in the world a record 5 times. Just name the actress.
Right. 1 second now. Hillary, I don't know how to pronounce her surname, but
So Hilary Swank is your
yeah,
guess.
yeah.
It is not Hilary Swank. Passing to Jitendra. And suddenly Neha has also started thinking. Jitendra, any guesses?
I do have a guess, but I'm not able to recall a name. This is most famous.
Just speak a little loudly, please.
Kate Winslet.
It is not Kate Winslet. Passing to Shwetank.
I have an image in mind, but I'm blanking on the name.
Any guesses, Shwetank?
No, I'll pass for this one.
Okay, passing to Neha.
I have to congratulate you on the way you framed the question. So I went with how Joshita guessed it, 2000 film. So that means 2001 Best Actress. So yeah, Julia Roberts for Erin
Ye-
Brockovich.
Yes,
That was
it is Julia Roberts, and the most beautiful woman rated voted 5 times gives Neha 10 points. It is Julia Roberts, and Hilary Swank won in
Was
which year?
for Boys Don't Cry, the previous year.
Okay, all right. All right, so plus 10 to Neha. The next
The
question to
show of Million Dollar
Joshita.
Baby, I guess.
Sorry.
Sorry?
I think she won for Million Dollar Baby, no?
Yeah, but
No,
that
Million
was
Dollar
late.
Baby was much later.
So
Much
this
later.
one.
This is 2000 we're talking about.
Yeah.
So she won twice.
Hilary
I
Swank
don't think
won.
she,
Okay.
yeah, she
Matlab,
might,
I
I
don't
don't
know.
think
I don't know whether she won for Million Dollar Baby. So.
Million Dollar Baby, yeah, I'm not sure about that either.
She has. Morgan Freeman and Hilary Swank both won for the Million Dollar Baby. But
Acha,
I know,
maybe.
but I'm not sure about the other film you mentioned.
Cool. Okay. Anyways, next question to Joshita. Joshita, Rachel Brosnahan plays the lead role of a Jewish American housewife turned stand-up comedian based out of Manhattan in this period TV series, which is available to view on Amazon Prime. Till date, there have been 3 seasons and 26 episodes, and it's considered to be a much acclaimed show. Either you can tell me the name of the character or the show.
Is it Marvelous Miss Maisel?
Yes, it is Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. Plus 10 to Joshita. And the next question goes to Jitendra. So, question number 16, Jitendra. This artist is the only person who has contributed to this varied, selected discography. So, starting in reverse order from Bahubali, the conclusion, Houseful 3, Dum Laga Ke Aisha, Rang Rastiya, Bombay Talkies, Kya Super Cool Hai Hum, Azan, Pathshala, Delhi 6, Kuselan in Tamil, Delhi Heights, and Khosla Ka Ghosla. So this bach gaya. This artist is the only person who has contributed to this varied, selected discography.
I didn't know what is that.
before anyone guesses, this is one single artist, right? Not a
Yes,
duo.
it is one single artist.
Yes. I came to Kapish my show also. I'm not able to respond.
So any guesses, Jitendra?
This Swanand.
Okay, it is not Swanand Kirkire. Passing to Shwetank.
It could be a lyricist as well.
All the details that you want is there in the question. This artist is the only person who has contributed to this varied, selected discography.
Mohit Chauhan.
Not Mohit Chauhan. Passing to Neha.
I'm going to go with Kailash Kher.
It is Kailash Kher. Plus 10 to
Okay.
Neha. So he had started singing with the Chak De Phatte songs from Delhi Heights
Yeah,
all the way
that's
till
the only song I could like place. So I just went with that.
plus plus 10 to Neha there. And moving to the next question for Joshita. I think this is an easy question. I'm not sure. I don't remember the order now. But it may be a very straightforward question. Okay, no, it's not, but it's a book related thing. So Dash Ray Dash is an American novelist and attorney, best known for his popular legal thrillers. His books have been translated into 42 languages and published worldwide. He practiced criminal law for about a decade and served in the Mississippi House of Representatives from Jan 84 to September 90. His first novel was published in 89, 4 years after he began writing it. According to the Academy of Achievement, his books have sold 300 million copies and he has written 28 consecutive number one bestsellers. A Galaxy British Book Award winner, he is one of the only three authors to sell 2 million copies on a first printing, the other two being Tom Clancy and J.K. Rowling. Many of his books have been made into films.
John Grisham.
Yes, it is John Grisham plus 10 to Joshita.
I did not answer that. I think someone unmuted and answered.
It wasn't you, okay? I thought it was you who answered it.
Even I thought.
Even
Okay,
I
what?
thought. Some people are spectator group answered, I guess.
It's okay.
Give her the
Joshita
points
can,
for
I think
honesty.
Joshita can take it. It's fine. It's their fault,
Only
whoever it
the
was.
points, no?
Okay.
Hey, listen, Srinath. I'm sorry. I did not realize I was on not on mute, and I just saw the question and blurted it out. I'm really sorry. This is Shreya. I was watching and I did not realize this happened.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right, Shah. So, okay. Here's what I'll do. I'll have a 20th question, alag se, and we'll just go to the next question, and then I'll have another question. All right. So the next question is okay. So this is John Grisham, and the next question is again to Joshita. Joshita, Made Me at the Zoo is a video on YouTube with 187 million views, 9 million likes, and 206k dislikes. It is an 18-second video by someone called Javed, who has 2.23 million subscribers today. What is notable about this video?
The first YouTube video.
Yes, it is the first YouTube video.
Yeah,
I should have just given you plus 10 for that, you know. Okay. Plus 10
You can
to
give me plus 20 if you want.
plus 10 to Joshita. The next question is to Jitendra. All right, Jitendra, I was born in a Bengali Brahmin family. I had 3 other elder siblings, me being the youngest. I had 4 wives, all were actresses. I was and still am considered to be a legend. From 1946 till my death in 1987 at the age of 58, there's hardly any music aficionado who has not heard my name. Who am I?
Why do I think it's Kishore Kumar?
Is that your guess?
Either Kishore Kumar or Mohammed Rafi, but I'm thinking. Yeah, I'll go with Kishore Kumar.
Kishore Kumar Ganguly is his full name, and yes, plus 10 to Jitendra. It is Kishore Kumar. The next question is to Shwetang.
I didn't know he had 4 wives.
he did actually. Okay, so Madhubala was one of them. I remember only Madhubala. So yeah. Anyways, Shwetang, according to the United States National Film Registry, this 2009 film is considered to be culturally, historically, and aesthetically significant. At the Oscars, this film was nominated for 9 films and won 6. This Catherine Bigelow directed war thriller film is one of the 2 films, the other being Nomadland, directed by Chloe Zhao in 2020, that have won the Oscars for the best film by a female director. Identify the film.
Have to guess a war thriller film.
Yeah, it's a war thriller film.
I'll just take a moment.
Yep.
I think like all the answers I'm going to
I thought you were just about to say the answer.
yeah.
Okay, passing to Neha, who unmuted. Huh?
I'm just going
I was going to
take a
tell
one-
him, just guess. It's not that hard. Just take a guess.
Okay. I'm just going to say Hacksaw Ridge. It's not the answer.
Okay, it's not the answer. Neha.
There's a big clue. Catherine Bigelow, war thriller, The Hurt Locker.
See,
Yeah,
I knew.
The Hurt Locker gives.
You hurt the Hurt Locker's feelings.
The Hurt Locker gives
Yes.
Neha 10 points. And with that, we are at question number 19.
Yeah.
I just
One
want,
extra question.
Yeah, one extra question is coming up. It's a Bollywood question. And Joshita is at 35, Jitendra is at 40, and Shwetank is at 22. So Neha is definitely through. But this could be interesting between Joshita and Jitendra. I will stop sharing and go to my tiebreaker question number 1. Or should I go to tiebreaker
So how
question
many
number?
tiebreaker questions will be there?
No, I have
only.
I have created 5 till now.
Okay.
So okay, I'll go with my favorite one. So yeah. All right, let me just go to safety slide and then share my screen. All right. I hope you can see only. Okay. No.
Blank screen.
Wait. 1 second. One second. Hold on, please. All right. Safety slide coming up in a second. All right. Can you see Ayushman Khurana? All right. Okay.
No, just a blank screen. Oh yeah, now it's
All right. Okay. So, Joshita, question number 20. You have to fill in the blanks. Okay. All right. You just have to fill in the blanks. Okay. It's a Bollywood question.
what is this?
So it's a song and it's a Bollywood question. The 3 longer blanks are the same word.
I don't know, pass.
Passing to Jitendra.
Is it a Hindi song with a different language translation,
So it is a Hindi song.
or is it?
It is a Hindi
Ah.
song, and this is part of the lyrics, the actual lyrics. There's no translation or
Oh.
something.
Hindi song. Pass it, pass to Ghana, City of Most. Show it to the artist to inspire.
I'm purposely not reading out the words because I think I might end up singing it in tune. So, though I don't know the pronunciation, like
Let me sing.
yeah.
Is it Maya Maya? No?
Huh?
I don't know, might be wrong. I think I am wrong.
But what is your answer? Can you just speak a little loudly?
Wait, I'm still thinking. Wait.
Okay, your guess.
No, I'll pass. Don't know.
All right, passing to Shwetang.
Yes. Maya Maya.
Okay, it's not Maya Maya. Passing to Shwetang.
I'm gonna go with Baila Baila. That's not that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I will then pass it to Neha. Neha, do you know it?
I mean, this is clearly French, and I can't think of any song that has French lyrics. So I'm going to go with Senorita from ZNMD, even though that's Spanish.
Okay. All right.
I know it's wrong.
It is not Senorita from Spanish. And now this gets even closer because I might have to use another tiebreaker question if Joshita answers this. So, okay. This is a Bollywood film, I've already said. The three words which are kind of equal in length are the same words. It is an A.R. Rahman song. A.R. Rahman song, same words, was already said before. And it is from a film that is after 2001.
Also,
rather,
read the lyrics.
Okay, 2001 to 2010.
Just read the lyrics once.
I also don't know how to.
Like 2001 to 2010 is such a small window. Wow.
And A.R. Rahman
especially in
also,
Bollywood, where like only 5 movies are released every
A.R.
year. Like
A.R. Rahman having French now. Lagan won't have French, no.
A.R. Rahman again, matlab kya?
So
I could only think of Befikre that has French.
I'm thinking French कहाँ आया है Bollywood movie में? Like
मुझे तो सिर्फ बेफिक्रे सूझ रहा था, and it didn't seem like that song.
okay, wait. Let me think of any other clue that I can give. Hold on.
like actor, actress, कुछ तो यार.
Okay, wait.
Or some other song in the movie. You could give us a.
Just the answer. Just.
One second. Hold on. Not some other song that will make it too easy. Let me just look for something. Okay. Till then, Joshita, please continue thinking.
Yeah, all.
Like I couldn't legitimately guess this.
Okay, I think I got it.
Okay. Joshita.
I think.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, Jitendra. Joshita, one other hint I can give you apart from all that I have given to you till now is that Om Puri has acted in this film. of all people, I can give you only that. Om Puri, A.R. Rahman, 2001 to 2010. And yeah. And it's very evident that probably you might not get it from the first three lines. You might get it only from the last two lines.
Pass. I don't know.
Okay, passing to Jitendra.
I might be wrong, but is it blue?
It is not blue. I don't think Om Puri was in blue. So this is not blue, whatever. Moving to Shwetang.
Is it Shanu?
Okay, it is not Shanu, whatever.
Okay, what are the clues again? Oh, is this Om Puri's last movie? Not that I know what his last movie was, but still, like.
No, it is not Om Puri's last film. Om Puri is acted in this film in a prominent role. A.R. Rahman is there. It is 2001 to 2010. These words are the same. If you also don't get it, then I will want Aditya to come off mute and tell it to everyone. So Neha, any guesses?
What do you mean if you also don't get it?
Matlab,
Please,
if everybody does not get it, matlab, because Aditya already knows the answer.
So he's going to sing it.
He will sing the last two lines for sure.
Is it Mokka?
Om Puri, A.R. Rahman. It's such a weird combination. Om Puri, A.R. Rahman.
French and Bollywood.
Like once if you, yeah.
Om Puri. Delhi 6.
Do you want to sing it?
From Delhi 6, I don't know what the song is. Dude, I have no clue. I'm just giving you the movie's name.
It is Olameno Vino Se Dilli, Olameno Vino Se Dilli 6. And this is the title track
Wow.
of Delhi 6.
Jesus Christ.
Amazing.
And Neha gets the last 5 points.
I had
at
no
the
idea
end.
that was the song. I just gave you the movie because of Om Puri and A.R. Rahman.
So at least you got that at the end. Also, with that, we also have 2 clear finalists. Let me just total up the scores.
Thank God Shweta answered. Sorry, Neha answered.
Awesome. So, all right. We have the final point tally. So, Shwetank at 22 points, Joshita at 35 points, Jitendra at 40 points, and Neha at 88 points. So,
Sorry,
What a time.
our
Second के
two
double से भी ज़्यादा.
our 2 finalists for next Saturday's finale will be Neha and Jitendra. So congratulations and thank you very much,
Cool.
Joshita and Shwetank.
Congrats, Neha.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congrats to you too.
All right, I will be stopping the recording.